we are importing like scraping product from other website. So I am installed the plugin. This is the plugin I have installed. So to activate the plugin, so click the product import. After the product menu, check the product importer menu. So click here. So you will show all everything. So I am copying everything from the site. There is almost 1570 item. So I am copying all item 1570 URL. So all product we need to import. Just continue to set up for mapping rule. Like click here. So we have to make the rule. Like this is the title. Product name is title. Short description is ignored. Description, image, price, SKU, image, category, tag, no, brand, status, SKU status, attribute, import. So there is option published. So I want to publish. Currency, auto detect from the product. And when you click it, automatically start the process. So review the everything. So I am reviewing. Title, SKU, and image, price, euro, stroke, brand, and category. Everything we are copying from here. Just now hit the import all 1570 URL. Just fire and wait and see how it's work. Import it. That means all product from this site we have imported to our new website. Just check how many imported is showing it to you. Almost 9 is doing, 10 done. So all of it we working fine. So it will work. So when it's completed, I will show you the final video. I hope everything is possible. So if also the stop button, also skip or failed retry button option we have also limited check. Almost everything is working fine. So we have to wait to complete the process. So just wait and see. You can check it here. Working imported edit option. There is also edit option. So to copy from any website, any product, you can contact me. I will be provide the best service for you. Almost 1570 product at a time you can copy from the other website. There is no limitation. You can put any type of provide the link, but same type of link at a time. So it will define the rule of other items, like same item, the same rule. So one website same rule, another website another rule, we have to set up manually. So then it will work better.